Hello everyone and welcome to my channel where I take you through my diecast collection. Today we have with us one of the fastest cars in the world in the smallest form factor. This is the Bugatti Chiron Supersport and it is produced by PosterCars. Let's take a quick look at this particular car in this video. But before we do that, subscribe to my channel because there's one more Bugatti that I would be reviewing and it is a must watch. Now, this particular car comes for just 899 rupees and it comes in an acrylic box. So if you collect a diecast, go ahead and get this one right away. The Bugatti Chiron Supersport is longer than the actual Chiron and you can see here with the length of this car by PosterCars. This Bugatti model comes with a very detailed interior, plastic headlights, a well-detailed logo in the front and also side mirrors. Now the side mirror is a part of the diecast, hence it is not very fragile. I will go ahead and show this particular model in a little more detail from the interior part as well. At the rear, you have the tail lights done very well in acrylic. You also have a different color plastic used for the engine details. A little bit of paint would have been made this particular engine bay look even better and pop a little. Now this particular model also comes with rubber tires and brake details. As you can see here, you can see the red calipers inside and this particular model rolls very well. I have gone ahead and unscrewed this car, so let's take a look at the interior in a little more detail. Now as you can see here, this is a really detailed interior with the beige and the black trim. Here you can see the steering wheel very well done. You have the silver insert on the center console, which is a great thing. We do have the bucket seats as well, which is a separate piece. Here you go, take a closer look at the bucket seats. Now this particular bucket seat is done in beige again and it has those quilted patterns. Now you can go ahead and customize this the way that you want it because this is a separate piece. Customizing this is easier. If you plan to upgrade your diecast collection from just basic Hot Wheels, then PosterCars is something that you should consider. If you like this video, click on the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel so that you are notified whenever I drop the next video.